Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Car Zoomer. Today we are not just talking about a new car. We're talking about the next chapter of a legend, the all-new 2026 BMW M5. And let me tell you, this isn't the M5 your dad drove. It's bigger, it's bolder, and yeah, it's got a plug. When you first see this thing, you know it's an M car, but the design is a massive step forward. It looks like it's been hitting the gym non-stop. The stance is wider, especially with those flared-out fenders that practically scream wide-body kit. Up front, you've still got the kidney grille, but it's been refined more aggressive. And with the optional iconic glow it lights up at night to really give you that futuristic vibe. It's a proper supercar sedan that manages to look muscular and elegant all at once. The new design language makes the previous generation look almost subtle, and that's saying something for an M5. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, because this is where the biggest change is, the powertrain. Say hello to the M hybrid system. Yes, the M5 has gone plug-in electric, and before you moan, hold on. This isn't about saving the planet. It's about maximized performance. We're looking at a twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, and the combined output is jaw-dropping over 700 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in the mid 3-second range. That electric motor doesn't just add power. It gives you instant, seamless torque from a dead stop, which is perfect for launching this beast. You can even drive it in pure electric mode for a short range around, 25 to 30 miles, perfect for silently creeping through your neighborhood early in the morning. Now, one question I see a lot is about off-road features. Let's be real, this is an M5, not an X5M. It's designed to attack asphalt, whether it's a tight canyon road or a straight-up track. It does come standard with the MX Drive all-wheel drive system, and that's what helps manage all that ridiculous power. That system, combined with the new adaptive M suspension, ensures you have incredible control and confidence, but you won't be rock crawling. This is a super sedan built for performance on road surfaces, end of story. Moving inside, the interior is pure 21st century luxury. The M5 has always been about balancing comfort and performance, and this new generation doubles down on the tech. You get the massive, beautiful BMW curved display, which houses the latest iDrive 8.5 system. Everything is digital, the gauge cluster. The infotainment, it's slick, sharp, and responsive. Comfort-wise, the new multi-function seats are fantastic, offering exceptional support and comfort. They even offer new merino leather interior options, like the eye-catching violet black. It's a high-tech, luxurious cockpit that doesn't forget it's still a serious driver's car. So, how does it stack up against its predecessors? Well, the switch to hybrid power is a huge pivot. The M5 has always been about a big V8 or a high-revving straight six, and now it's a hybrid V8. It makes it heavier, which is the main trade-off of a few hundred extra pounds of battery and motor. But what it loses in lightness, it gains in brutal, instant torque and raw horsepower, making it the most powerful M5 ever produced. It continues the tradition of the M5 being the ultimate do-it-all sedan, but now it does all with an electric boost. Finally, the big question, how much is this going to cost? Given the new tech and the sheer level of power, the price is definitely heading north. We're seeing estimates starting right around the $125,000 mark. That's a jump, but it also reflects the fact that this is not just an upgrade. It's a total reinvention to compete with the latest high-performance hybrid rivals. The old M5 was a legend. This new one is a technological powerhouse. That is setting the stage for what the future of the super sedan will look like. It's clear that BMW is not messing around. They took their most iconic performance sedan and gave it the jolt of electricity it needed to stay on top. The 2026 M5 is truly a game changer, and I cannot wait to get behind the wheel of one. What do you all think? Is the hybrid heart a betrayal of M history, or the only way forward for a performance icon? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you want to see a deep dive comparison against the new Mercedes-AMG E63, Would you like me to start pulling together the specs for that comparison video?